Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This customer was 130 miles away from home when their shock broke as they were pulling in to get gas at a gas station. Apparently, the gas station mechanic did a little quick fix for 20 bucks just so that the customer could drive their car home. This car was apparently purchased from a rental company and the owner came in because the bulb warning light kept coming on. And this customer said that their car had troubles accelerating, and this is what the mechanic found in the exhaust. Apparently the owner stores dog food in the garage and the mouse had been using the exhaust as a secret stash. This car came in with missing brake caliper mount bolts. And this customer came in because they had a weird noise from underneath their car. This customer came in with a pretty decent fuel leak. Customer states, car smokes like it's smoking 13 packs a day. And this customer complains about their car starting up but then turns off right away. And this customer complained about a metallic noise coming from the front of the car.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's good. That's crazy.
And this customer came in because their engine wouldn't stop making a meowing sound. I know what's wrong with it ain't got no gas in it. And this customer came in complaining about a strange noise coming from their wheels after their buddy had helped them install some new brake pads. Apparently, they forgot the retaining pins that keeps the pad in place and the pads had been scraping against the inside of the wheel, which caused the noise. Customer states, change my oil and filters and swap my wiper blades because the ones I got don't work. And this mechanic was just doing a regular tire pressure check on this wheel after a seasonal swap. Customer states, drove into ditch because I tried to not hit a mouse on the road. This customer managed to drive 9 miles to the shop on this wheel. He somehow got there in one piece and got a new wheel installed. This Volkswagen Golf 5 rolled in because it was overheating and making funny noises. Turns out it was all due to a pretty well used water pump. And this Honda Accord came in with a pretty beat up CV axle. This mechanic was replacing some tires on this customer's truck. Apparently one of the tires had been frozen to the ground and ripped apart as he was driving away. And apparently somehow this customer managed to drive into the shop like this. And this customer came in with their tractor and said, I can't tell how fast I'm driving. Customer states, drove through a little bit of water, engine now runs rough.
$2,000 years later.
This customer came in because they said that their truck had started sounding like a tractor recently after having it parked on the street for a few days. And this customer stated that their car wouldn't stop overheating, so they just kept driving. And this customer came in for a filter change, but did not mention anything about this. This customer came in because they said that their steering wheel felt quite wobbly. Choo choo! All aboard! This customer came in with their '07 Corolla complaining about a knocking noise when coming to a full stop. This customer got sideswiped by a semi-truck and apparently also got towed to the shop, but with the parking brake still engaged. And this car apparently has an auto-retractable dipstick. Customer states, was driving on the highway and heard a loud bang. Car then started running poorly. This turbo shaft came off of a 2021 Honda Civic with just 11,000 miles on it. This car owner had changed his own oil and filter but couldn't remove the old oil filter, so he had to get his car towed in. The mechanic joked and said that this was before he had to use his jackhammer to get it removed. Customer states, something's wrong with my engine, the engine light keeps coming on. And this customer needed their console lid replaced.
Alright, let's see. Oh. Yeah, I guess it did kind of look like a ball sack.
And this Lexus CT came in because it just wouldn't start. Once the mechanics removed the spark plugs, they discovered that the engine was full of coolant due to a bad head gasket. This Kia Soul came in for an oil change and strange noises coming from the engine. Apparently, the issue was a loose bottom alternator bolt. This customer came in because they had issues with poor braking. Apparently, they had done an 800 mile or 1,300 kilometer trip with these brakes. The owner of this 1997 Land Rover D90 complained about a strange noise coming from the differentials. Apparently, he hadn't changed the differential gear oil in 15 years, and this is what came out when the mechanic removed the oil plug.
Yeah, not today. Not today.
And this customer came in after having done some work on the exhaust all by himself. And this customer states, damage to vehicle front right wheel after highway collision, but apparently not his fault and wants warranty to cover all of it. And this customer had their front drive shaft break while they were driving 90 miles per hour. This car drove to the shop in this state. The customer apparently declined all repairs and it ended up leaving on a tow truck. And this customer came in because of a fuel leak. Yeah, that looks about right.
Holy.
And this customer came in complaining about rough and noisy shifts. And this customer had unexpectedly created a milkshake while driving. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.